Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing 5 healthy breakfast ideas with you to start your day in the right way. These are so delicious, they're incredibly easy to do. Like I mentioned, healthy and of course plant-based and vegan. These healthy breakfasts have been part of my life for such a long time and I'm sharing them with you today. They're so nourishing and really is just what your body needs to get you through the entire day. So we're going to get straight into today's video. A quick reminder guys to please subscribe to my channel. It supports me as a digital creator and keeps me creating content like this for you guys. So please take the time to do so, and once you have, we can get straight into today's video. Before anything guys, you want to be having a lemon and water and a green juice. I will not have any of these breakfasts until I've had those 2 things, and I also hydrate a lot, so I drink a lot of water. So that's the best way to start the morning. So if you can get those in, that is just amazing. But once I have had those, that's when I move on to a kind of breakfast. It's kind of like my second breakfast after my green juice, but it is my absolute favorite and my go-to, the trusted smoothie bowl. I absolutely love smoothie bowls. There is just so much going on. They're so moreish and I just enjoy them so much. You've got the base, like this, it's like a thick smoothie. So this one's my cacao and my chocolate one. You've got banana in there, you've got desiccated coconut, you've got almond milk, dates, so much in there. Then you've got your toppings, which are fruit, nuts and seeds, and of course your almond butter. And guys, honestly, when I have this, I don't really get hungry until dinner time. It keeps you going for so long, which is exactly what you need when you're having a busy day. You don't want to at any point without thinking grab a snack that's not that great for you because you're too busy. So I always find starting my day off with this, it stops that from happening. This recipe I actually shared last week. I think I'm gonna link it below for you guys to go and make yourself. It's so easy, and honestly guys, it's absolutely worth it for you, for your health, for everything. The next healthy breakfast idea is avocado on toast. This is such a great way to start the day. I don't actually use regular bread. I just don't feel that that's the healthiest option. It's also not the best for optimum digestion, and in the morning you really need your digestive system working at its best. Something we use over any kind of bread is this one from Living Seedful. These are organic loaf slices and it's actually made with seeds. So this one has sunflower seeds, linseeds, this one's got green olives, golden linseeds as well as brown, rapeseed oil, pumpkin seeds, millet seeds, milled brown linseeds, apple cider vinegar and Himalayan salt. So it is just really seeds over any kind of wheat, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's actually a Polish recipe. I remember speaking to them and it does remind me of things that I used to have when I was little in Poland, so I'm not surprised. But it's high in fiber, protein and omega-3. Obviously gluten, dairy and yeast-free also. I just think that is such a great alternative, and it allows you to have the avocado on toast and you still get that sort of bready feeling without it actually being bread and getting bloated and feeling uncomfortable for the remainder of the day. So I basically toast the bread, the seeded bread, then I add a layer of hummus, then I mash my avocado. Obviously you need it to be soft, and then I add in olive oil, a bit of garlic, salt and pepper, and then I top it with chili flakes and some more pepper. I normally would add sprouts on top, but I am all out. But that is basically my avocado on toast, and it's so delicious of course, and this one is very healthy, so you do not need to feel bad about eating this at all. Granola is the next one I want to talk about. Now, if you buy granola in the shops, 9 times out of 10, it's going to be unhealthy. It's going to be filled with refined sugar and God knows what else. So making your own is really important for this kind of breakfast. It's so easy to do. There's no excuse. I actually shared this recipe, I think it was in my Valentine's vlog, which I will link below for you so you guys can make it. I have literally just made this and it is a busy morning. There's a lot going on and I've managed to fit in doing this. That's how easy it is. So this is my cacao granola and it is just So delicious. So for this breakfast, you would just have some granola in a bowl. Now remember, you can also add this granola as a topping to your smoothie bowl. I sometimes, if I'm feeling peckish, will just nibble at it like a squirrel. But for a full breakfast, you'd put your granola in a bowl and then grab some almond milk or any plant-based milk. Again, this is one I've made. Always try and make your own everything, really. But with your milks, it's literally a handful of the nut that you want. So in this case, it's almonds and then water. That's it. And then you blend it. You can strain it through sort of a nut cloth to get rid of all the bits, but I don't really care about the bits. I'm happy to have them. And that's of course the healthiest way. You can buy a few brands. I think Plenish is one of them that do good nut milks, but a lot of them are just filled with rubbish and have like 7% of the nut, so you're not really getting much. You just add your almond milk to your granola, and that is just such a delicious breakfast. I also like to add fruit on top, so I've just got some pomegranates, which I'll pop in there, some berries. You can literally just throw this all on, and that is it. Now, if you're having a morning where you don't want to make anything, you don't have time for anything, or anything like that, then this one is one that you can buy and is such a good healthy option. It is coconut yogurt. Now, when you're buying these sort of things, like I say all the time, always check the ingredients, because a lot of brands hide really nasty ingredients in there that are not, you can't even call them food. So you really have to pay attention. But the Coconut Collaborative, the original one, so no other flavor in it, is the best one. The ingredients are so basic. It's a great gut food. So again, in the morning, like I mentioned, you want your digestion to be optimum. You want it to be working its best. Fermented foods are so good for that, and coconut yogurt is one of them. Make sure you've got this stocked in the fridge. It will take absolutely no time at all to put this together. Pop a few spoonfuls into your bowl, depending on how hungry you are. That's enough for me. And then again, I like to add fruit on top. Anything that you have fruit-wise, that can go on top. I just love my berries in the morning. Got some pomegranates again. I absolutely love pomegranates. They are so high in antioxidants. Then you can grab your granola that you made. This is a great addition to top coconut yogurt with. You can be as creative as you want with your toppings. If you don't have granola, then I would put seeds and nuts on top, dried berries like Inca berries, cacao nibs. You could sprinkle any sort of superfood powder on it, anything you want. But that is just the perfect thing when you don't have time to make anything and you just need something quick and healthy. Coconut yogurt. The last and most healthiest option is simply fruit. Yep, any kind of fruit, all the fruit is the best thing that you can give your body first thing in the morning. After your lemon and water and after your green juice, putting fruit in is giving your body so much nourishment, so much nutrition. It's filling up each of those cells with everything it needs to get your body and mind through the day. Fruit should always be eaten on an empty stomach, which is why the morning is the best time. As the day goes on, you start to eat heavier foods, which slows your digestion. And if you eat fruit after something that slows your digestion, the fruit will just sit waiting to be digested, and that's when it ferments and becomes acidic for the body, which is not good. So getting your fruit in the morning before anything is optimum. It is the best time, guys, so make sure you do. I know it's quite hard in the winter. It's not something that you want to really grab, but we're going into summer now, so there's no excuse. I, for one, especially in the warmer months, live off fruit. I will eat it up until sort of 2-3 o'clock. I just find it so delicious, and it keeps me light on my feet, keeps my body light, no bloating. I absolutely love it. So get your fruit in the morning, before your smoothie bowl, before your granola, before all of that, have fruit. It's honestly the best thing that you could do for your body, for your mind, for yourself. Okay guys, that is it for my 5 healthy breakfast ideas. I hope this video was informative and has helped you and enlightened you with how you should start your day. Any comments or question, guys, drop them below and I will get back to each and every one of you. Everything that I have shared today, I will link in the description box below. I have video recipes, I have blog recipes. They are available, they are free, and you guys can take advantage of them. So make sure you do. I'm over on Instagram as well, guys. It's at Honestly Alessandra. Come say hey, I am so active over there. I'm posting every single day and you guys can get a little bit more of an insight to a healthy lifestyle. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel like I mentioned before. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video this week, guys. Stay healthy and stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.